Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a QR code without using any app or any software or program, just in Google Chrome. And yeah, let me show you how to do it. So first, let's choose some random URL that we want to turn into a QR code. So let's say our Facebook page, profile, like this. So just copy the URL and then search in Google for QR code me, this code.com, and click on the first link. And yeah, so as you remember, I copied a URL, so that is why we choose URL. Yeah, so paste the URL here and then click on download, click on GPH, and as you can see, here is our QR code. But I want to show you that it's actually working. So let's say we want to write some letter and we want to put this QR code here. So how? Just drag it, put it here, and as you can see, this is our QR code. And when you scan it with your phone or when your device, it will appear your profile Facebook page. And that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.